Hi guys, this is the demo area where you can personally feel the difference once the tint is installed in your car. You can also check the different shades of each film, and you can also feel the heat without even touching the glass. Just place your hand near in this infrared heat acts like the sun to simulate real heat exposure. So here you can explore the different film shades available while they explain the heat rejection performance and recommend the perfect tint, what's best for your car. So who else hates this kind of heat feeling inside the car? And now that you have seen how effective the film is, let's move on to the installation process. They will carefully measure, cut, and prepare the tint film before installing. So this is the Nano-Tech Charcoal film installed on the car with a sleek, darker look while helping reduce heat. Using this solar power meter, you'll clearly see the difference between our Nano-Tech Charcoal film and without film. And after that, they will walk you through the agreement, clearly explaining all the terms and policies. This includes proper care of your tint, warranty coverage, and important guidelines to maintain its quality and performance. We make sure everything is understood before you leave it. And here's the final look of this 1988 Mitsubishi Pajero, fully installed with our Nano-Tech Charcoal Medium on the windshield, rears, first, and second row, giving it a clean, upgraded, and more comfortable ride.